Hey there, curious minds. Imagine a world without bees. Sounds far-fetched. But what would really happen if these tiny buzzing creatures suddenly disappeared? First off, bees aren't just about honey. We've got over 20,000 species of bees globally, and they're found everywhere except Antarctica. These little powerhouses are crucial for pollinating about 75% of the world's flowering plants. That includes many of the crops we rely on for food. Without bees, our food supply would be in serious jeopardy. Let's dive into the beehive for a moment. It's an intricate society where everyone has a role. The queen bee, the only reproductive female, lays thousands of eggs. Worker bees, all female, are the backbone of the hive. They start their lives as cleaners, then become builders, guards, and finally foragers. And those drones? They exist solely to mate with a virgin queen. Now picture this. No more bees means no more pollination. Fruits, vegetables, and nuts would become scarce, and the prices would skyrocket. Entire ecosystems would suffer because bees are key players in maintaining biodiversity. Birds and other animals that rely on bee-pollinated plants would struggle to find food. The ripple effect would be enormous, but it's not just our food supply at risk. Bees contribute to the beauty of our world. They pollinate flowers, helping to create the vibrant landscapes we love. Without them, many of these plants would fail to reproduce, leading to duller, less diverse environments. So what can we do to protect these essential creatures? Simple steps like planting bee-friendly flowers, avoiding pesticides, and supporting local beekeepers can make a big difference. Every action counts when it comes to preserving our buzzing buddies. In essence, bees are more than just insects. They're vital to our survival and the health of our planet. Let's appreciate and protect these incredible little creatures before it's too late. Thanks for watching and stay curious. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating insights. Until next time.